Hey everybody, this is Mike from the Collectors Corner, TCC, coming to you today, making a new video. We are here in front of a ShopRite. If you guys are long-time subscribers, you would know what's in here. If you haven't, you guys are going to be in for a treat. Let me bring you in and you can take a look and see what's here. It is the All-Star Machine. This thing has baseball cards, football, all sports, and you can see right there the cards and the prices. I'm going to be picking up some packs and opening them up as I go home. Not too much baseball to choose from, but I'll do my best to get a little assortment. This is kind of far from my house, and it is the only card vending machine card store in my area. A lot of Pokemon. Cards. So we're going to concentrate on the baseball and see which ones I'm going to get. What is the best price? Bang for the buck. Alright, so I will be back. Let me buy this stuff and I will show you what I find. Okay everybody, so we are back. I'm going to briefly go over the packs that I bought from the vending machine, and then we'll go ahead and open them. We have 2 packs of Pinnacle, the Score Pinnacle 1992. I got 2 of those. Let's see what else. Okay, 2 of these cello packs of Tops. I believe this is 89. Yes, 89 Tops, 2 packs. And the last 2 packs were these like grab bag packs that he had. I guess they put it together themselves. So we'll go over these also. Great for Throwback Thursday. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Let's open these up and see what we could find. Let's get with the 89 Tops first. A little dinged up, but let's see what we could find in these packs. Terry Leach, Mitch Williams, Surhoff, nice card, Cecil Fielder, Jody Reed, and we have Gum. Okay. I do like these advertisements, they're pretty cool. Let's see what else we have. Brewers Leaders, Spike Owen, Greg Matthews, Red Sox Leaders, Don Mattingly, nice. Pascual Perez. That makes up that pack. I just mainly bought these for fun. Also to support, to support the machine being there. Like I said before, there's really nothing in my local neighborhood. So, I know these were probably a little bit pricey. Lance Parrish. But, sometimes you gotta do what you're gonna do. And also, you know, I was doing it for fun, just to see, you know, what the machine had, and yeah, just also, like I said, just to see what I could find. All this was probably as much as I would have spent on, you know, like 2 packs, so that's not that bad. You know, Indians leaders, Tiger leaders, future stars, Danny Jackson, Franklin Stubbs, Blue Jay leaders, athletic leaders, Mike Lacrosse, and Tracy Woodson. Okay, so that rounded up the packs of tops. Okay, let's get into these Pinnacle. I believe I collected these a while back. Pinnacle, I was a big fan of back in the day. Yeah, I remember these right away. With the green background, backing like that. I remember these. All right. Rookie prospects, Ruben Alomar Jr. This is Steve Avery. This is Idols card. Benito Santiago. Osborne rookie. Oh, 2 cards. Carlton Fisk. Nice card. Randy Johnson. Not bad. That was a pretty good pack. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this. What do you think about the machine, and you know, what do you think about the cards that I pulled? Also, let me know, you know, your overall thoughts about, you know, that machine. I find it pretty good, although the selection kind of sucks, but this is a nice card. This is Rex Hudler and Roger Staubach. I like this one. I remember this back in the day. Dave Justice Shades. Brett Butler. Charles O'Reilly. Kelly Downs. They do stick to each other a little bit, but not really that bad. Kevin Mitchell and Frank Viola. Okay, so that was the Pinnacle. Not bad. We did pull a couple of stars out of there and the insert cards. Let's go through these now and see what these were. These were $1 a pack. I believe everything here was $1 a pack. But these were, you know, these are hands collated, so I don't know. I do not know what I'm finding here. But let's check it out. Here we go. Cody Bellinger. A numbered card. Okay. 200 out of 250. Okay, not bad. Wendell, Rosario, Freeland. Oh, nice. We have some Bowman Chrome. Another numbered. Ronald Guzman, 243 out of 499. Juan Soto, Taylor Ward rookie, Kramer rookie, Newman rookie, and Hayes. Alright, so that was pretty good. We did get some numbered cards out of that pack. Let's go to this one now. See what is in here. Chipper Jones. This is classic. Panini. Cool, a 3D card. This is Sports Flicks. We have some Team USA cards here. Matt Noakes, a couple of those. Jimmy Key, David Cohn. All right, we go to draft picks now. We have a Sosa. Lake Taylor. Let's see what year these are from. 2013. Brandon Diaz. Yvonne Travis. Wendell. Mercado. Alright. So overall we did get those grab bags were pretty good. To get a lot of assortment of cards. That's about it for this Throwback Thursday. Let me know what you think. If you're not a subscriber, there should be a circle coming up right around there. Click that, and with the bell notification, you'll know when I post a video. Great to have you aboard if you're a new subscriber. All you have to do then is give the video a thumbs up and comment below. And you never know what giveaway is coming up next. Stay tuned. Alright, so there you go. There you have it. I will see you tomorrow. Take care, everybody, and have a great night.